Hey everyone, I am Pam from Pam Allen Online and the Canva Clubhouse, Canva Creations with Pam. Anything that would do with Canva, I'm your gal. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to talk about videos today and a site that Canva has shared, or we can access this in Canva. So I just wanted to show you the because I've never heard of Artlist, but a lot of people have. And it's a place where you can go and get, and it does feel like it's a paid subscription, but you don't have to pay for it like for Canva. Canva already put in some things. However, it does do music, footage, voiceover templates, but footage is where we're going to get a bunch of videos, or already have a bunch of videos from this. So let me show you. Let's just go ahead and go into footage. And I'm assuming that we probably won't have all of these, but just to give you a little example, I mean, these are pretty cool. Okay, so let's go over to Canva and let's see how we can access this. Okay, and this is going to be really cool. I want to set up some videos for reels and all that. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going over to Canva right now. All right, so we're in Canva, and I'm just going to go, I want to do video. So we're just going to go here, and then Canva. Actually, I want to do, so I'm going to do creative design. That's going to be easier for me. And I'm going to do the TikTok video. The story is the same. It's the 1080 by 1920. Okay. But I'm just going to grab this one. So it'll be just easy to showcase. Now, yes, the videos are landscape, but I'm going to show you a little trick that I'm going to use. So all right, so let's see here. I'm going to move this over here. All right, so I'm going to go to elements on the left-hand side, and I am going to go, I'm going to put in the search at, and then Artlist, okay, and it's only videos, people. That is it. So the next step is very important. You're going to want to go to videos. All right. And so there's going to be, look at so many of them. Now, if you want to niche it down a bit more, or if you have a specific kind of video you're looking for, I'm going to put beach because I want to do some affirmations with my videos. Okay. So we have a whole bunch here. Now the ones with, of course, these are, I'm going to assume that this is, all of them are pro. So I don't think this is a free option because I'm looking at all these videos and they have the crown. So yet another reason why I love pro. Okay, so I'm going to grab, this is 34. I'm going to grab this one. And as you can see, it comes in here like this, right? I mean, you can pull and drag and do all that, but this is what I'm going to do. I am going to click on the three dots. I am going to say set video as background. Okay. And then it pulls it from there. Now I'm going to click on this again, and then I'm going to go up here to crop it. Okay. And to be very honest, I can make 3 different kinds of videos. We can do it from the left-hand side, like if I wanted to move it all over here, or the right-hand side, or the middle. So let's just go ahead and go for this one first. And I'm just gonna, there we go. So look at that. I love it. and then you can put some kind of text over it. Let's see here. Let's try it. Okay. So, let's put here affirmation about self-care. Let's see what it does. Okay, so all right. I mean, that's good. We can put that in, but it might need a little bit shorter. So I'm going to put this, but make shorter and see what it gives us. Okay. 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 All right. That's shorter. So let's go ahead and insert that. Okay. Let's see here. I'm actually going to take some of it away real quick. Just do this. Make it a little bit bigger. All right. And I want a different font. All right. And let's see here. If I highlight them a bit, will it pop a little bit more? Okay. Okay, let's make sure all the words fit okay. And then I'm going to go up here to animate it. And I want to have the typewriter, I think. All right, yeah. See how that is working like that? Oh, yeah. Okay. And then, so I'm going to position this. I want it to be in the middle and center. Okay. And then I'm going to go over to my brand and I'm going to bring in logo. And I'm going to put that over here because I can use this. Social media, I'm not selling it, people. All right. Okay, so there we go. And now I have one video and I can download that. Let's see here. We don't want all that there. Videos for TikTok. Actually, I'm just going to put TikTok video November because all right. I think that will work. If you feel like the wording isn't like popping, then work with the font, work with colors. But this is an easy way. Let me. We're gonna. Okay. Now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna watch. Yeah. Okay. So we are gonna press play. So this kind of takes out what kind of videos. The Artlist has so many, just use them. And then you can use, like if you do the crop, you can use the other videos. That's what I'm going to do. All right. I hope this helps. And yeah, enjoy, and I would love to see your videos. So if you can post them in the chat, that would be awesome.